I'm about to drop some particle physics in the club. The LHC is super duper fly. You know what I'm saying. Check it.
27 kilometers tunnel underground, designed with mind to send protons around. A circle that passes through Switzerland and France. 60 nations contribute to scientific advance. Two beams of protons swing round through the ring they ride, till in the hearts of the detectors they're made to collide, and all that energy packed in such a tiny bit of room becomes mass particles created from the vacuum, and then
Oh yeah.
LHCb sees where the antimatter's gone. Alice looks at collisions of lead ions. CMS and Atlas are two of a kind. They're looking for whatever new particles they can find. The LHC accelerates the protons in the lead, and the things that it discovers will rock you in the head. We see asteroids and planets, stars galore. We know a black hole resides at each galaxy's core. But even all that matter cannot explain what holds all these stars together. Something else remains. The star matter interacts only through gravity. And how do you catch a particle? There's no way to see